Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Samsung's next foldables latest leaks have started to settle into a consistent direction, even if the details are still coming in unevenly. The new Galaxy Z Fold 8 series is being discussed less in terms of a major redesign and more in terms of incremental fixes to long-running complaints about the category. Here are the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 expected price in the US, features, battery, and launch timeline details. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The emphasis on weight reduction is not new, but the reported figure for the wide model stands out because it falls below expectations set by earlier foldables. Devices like the first Galaxy Fold and early Pixel Fold models were noticeably heavier, partly due to structural reinforcement and less efficient internal layouts. The leak also suggests a second variant, often referred to as an Ultra model in early reporting, that does not follow the same weight reduction path. That version is said to remain around 215 grams, which is close to the previous generation. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 lineup is expected to follow a dual-model approach, with early leaks pointing to a standard wide edition and a higher-end Ultra variant. According to industry reports, the standard Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide Edition is tipped to feature 12 GB of RAM, with storage options of 256, 512 GB, and 1 TB. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra is expected to sit above it, offering 12 or 16 GB of RAM, depending on the configuration, along with the same set of storage choices, 256, 512, and 1 TB. The lighter, wide model appears to prioritize reduced mass and a different aspect ratio when folded. The Ultra version keeps a more familiar structure, but adjusts internal components, including a reported 5000 mAh battery with 45-watt charging, mentioned for the Ultra variant. As reported by 9to5 Google, a new 50-megapixel sensor is expected to be included, with output reportedly supporting a 24-megapixel mode natively. This differs from Samsung's typical approach, where images are often binned down to 12 megapixels for standard use. In global markets like the US, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to be around $1,800 to $2,000, depending on storage options. The new Galaxy Z Fold variants are expected on July 22nd. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.